Good morning. My name is Maria Arrula. This is a photo in my vacation. Hello guys. How are they? Well, in this video, I want to tell you about my best vacation in Saramara. This is photo 1. It is photo 2. This is photo 3. This is photo 4. This is photo 5. The trip was last year and in a white setting because I had heard many people talk about the beautiful place that in Saramara. I traveled Sincelejo and transport Brasilia. The trip lasts 7 hours. Trip with Alexandra. She is my baby. My baby is 30 years old. The truth was great. I met a beautiful beach. In the we had fun. We took photos. We spent it easy family. We also went to some schools near the beach or on place. I would really like to repeat this for that be beautiful. Also my mother was happy because we went to visit here late at night. I met Antureci Kelly. The water park is a unique place, the truth. We had a lot of fun. Every was spectacular. This area shows you visit has Tahoe culture of the Sierra Nevada of this beautiful city. They were white and wear kinets, hand and money necklace. Thank you.